Hello all of you. Today I want to introduce to everyone a tool to help me post comments on many people's personal Facebook pages at the same time. In order to carry out the work of commenting, I will need to prepare three things. The first is content. Second is the list of personal Facebook pages that I want to comment on. Third, I need to prepare my Facebook account so I can comment. For the first comment, content, click on select content and load up the content you have available. For example, here I choose about 4 of these contents. Then I click save. You can also add or remove content and edit other content freely. Selected content. Compose content that includes this image. You can attach all images here. Then I will have the content saved like this. Once I have the content, I move on to step 2. That's the list of members that I need to comment on. I add the list by adding personal Facebook IDs to this link, in case you don't have one. In case I don't have this list of IDs, then I use the marketing software toolkit. Let me scan out the lists that I need. The software has many scanning functions. For example, I want to scan a member of a group. I just need to enter any group list here. For example, let's take this first group right away. This is the group to join. Take this group and scan the ID. Take this ID and put it here. Then I choose the quantity, to search for here. You can choose more than 100. If I scan 100 people in advance, it only takes about 5 seconds for it to scan out my list. I check the list. Save as Excel file. Open the file to check. It will have information, such as the ID of this group, this member ID, name and personal Facebook link. I just need to select the ID column, then copy it into the software. Enter the UID section here. Delete old UID, paste in the new UID. Then save here to complete step 2. This is after I performed the 2 steps of success. The last step is to prepare the Facebook accounts you have. Load from the software sheet. In the software, I already have many accounts available. This is the account section 1 prepared in advance. In addition, the software can control multiple accounts without any limitations. For example, I am using 1,459 accounts after I have fully prepared all 3 things I need. The software is already available. Now I just need to press start to make it work.